Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Piano for iPhone app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Piano for iPhone is a virtual piano app designed to let users play music directly on their device using a responsive on-screen keyboard. The app offers multiple instrument sounds, including piano, guitar, marimba, and electric bass, giving beginners and casual players a simple way to learn melodies or experiment with chords. It's available on iOS and focuses on quick, accessible music play without needing a physical instrument. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its smooth key response, realistic sound library, and easy interface. It's a fun option for practicing simple tunes, checking notes on the go, or exploring basic music ideas without complex tools. The multi-instrument options also make it enjoyable for creative play. However, there are some drawbacks. The app doesn't offer structured lessons or guided learning, which limits its usefulness for serious learners. Some extra sound packs require in-app purchases, and ads in the free version may interrupt playing. Since it's mainly made for casual use, it lacks advanced training features found in dedicated learning platforms. In summary, the Piano for iPhone app may be worth using if you want a simple, portable way to play and explore music on your device. However, if you need guided lessons, in-depth training, or advanced tools, it might feel too basic for long-term learning. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.